Hey y'all, it's Katie Austin here, and today we are doing, oh my gosh, my puppy is chewing a rock. Please hold. Okay, I'm gonna be just holding her rock because you can't have that. I'm sorry, you're so cute though. So today's workout is going to be deep core. So before we get into the workout, I just wanted to educate you guys quickly about deep core and really tell you guys what it is. I see a lot of videos on social media about deep core. What is deep core? So basically there are 4 major muscle groups of your core, and a lot of the times we know of the rectus abdominis, which is basically the six-pack muscle, and then the internal and external obliques, which we work a lot in other videos and other workouts of mine. But a lot of the times my mom always has said this, the transverse abdominis. Work the transverse abdominis when you're doing the plank. And that's exactly what we're really doing when we're doing deep core, is we're actually really making sure we're feeling it in the transverse abdominis and also in a 360 stability way with your core, okay? So in these moves, you're really gonna hit that. You're gonna feel great. I love doing a lot of these moves because they don't look very challenging if you're not doing them, but if you're doing them, you're really feeling this, okay? So I want you guys to focus a lot on your breathing, going slow, and stabilizing through your core with your hips tucked under. Now, are you ready to get into the deep core workout? Let's do it.
Baby, ya yo me enteré, se nota cuando me ve. Ahí donde no has llegado, sabes que yo te llevaré. Dime qué quieres beber, es que tú eres mi bebé. Y de nosotros, ¿quién va a hablar si no nos dejamos ver?
Yo a veces es dolce, a veces vulgar. Y cuando te lo quito, después de los paris, las copas de vino, las libras de Mari. Estás bien suelta, yo de safari. Tú me ves el culo fenomenal, pa' yo devorarte como un animal. Si no te has venido, yo te voy a esperar. En mi cama y lo voy a celebrar.
Baby, a ti no me pongo, y siempre te lo pongo. Y si tú me tiras, vamos a nadar el hondo.
Si por mí te lo pongo, de septiembre hasta agosto. Amiga, ya yo me enteré.
Shorty get down, good lord. Baby got 'em open all over town. Strictly bitch, you don't play around. Cover much grounds, got game by the pound. Getting paid is a forte, each and every day. True play away, I can't get her out of my mind. I think about the girl all the time. The east side to the west side, pushing fat rides, it's no surprise. She got tricks in the stash, stacking up the cash fast when it comes to the gas. By no means average, it's on when she's got to have it. Baby, you're a perfect 10. I wanna get in, can I get down so I can win? I like the way you work it, I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, I got to bag it up.
Sweet, I didn't blink, I let it in my eyes. Like an exotic dream, the radio playing songs that I have never heard. I don't know what to say. Oh, not another word, just la 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 la. It goes around the world, just la 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 la. It's all around the world, just la la la. It's all around the world. It's la 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 la. La 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 la. It's all around the world. It's la 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 la. The sound of night is gone till it goes on and on, so deep inside of me. I long to set it free. I don't know what to do. Just can't explain to you. I don't know what to say. Oh, not another word. Just la 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 la. Let's dance. No time for romance. Let's dance. No time for romance. When I met you, we were kids, we were animals, running through the woods where we're from, nothing else to do but fall in love. We were kids, we were animals, running through the woods. Now I'm trying to get to you again. When I met you, we were kids, we were animals, running through the woods where we're from, nothing else to do but fall in love. We were kids, we were animals, running through the woods. Now I'm trying to get to you again. Our first love won't be the last time, but the first song still playing in my mind. Still playing in my mind. Now they're playing our song and it sounds like. Is it love, love, love? Is it love, love, love? Is it love, love?